just showed you. Sorry, that might not have been clear. I'll go through the algorithm. So you have this piece, you have this side, these two pieces that aren't in place, hold them to the left. Then you want to perform this algorithm, which is right side clockwise, top face clockwise, right face counterclockwise, top face clockwise, right face clockwise, top face 2 times, then the right face counterclockwise. Now, that gets us to the fish. Anything I may have missed, yeah, I'm sorry. I will try and include, I will include all of these algorithms in the description. Yeah. So, once you've gotten to the fish, you're ready to perform the next step. So, you want the fish to be facing this corner here, that way. Then you want to do the same algorithm, which is right face clockwise, top face clockwise, right face counterclockwise, top face clockwise, right face clockwise, top face 2 times, right face counterclockwise. That just turns around the fish. Then you want to do it again, so which is right face clockwise, top face clockwise, right face counterclockwise, top face clockwise, right face clockwise, top face twice, right face counterclockwise. That gets us not the entire thing, but the entire yellow side. So not the entire yellow layer, but the entire yellow side. So now we need to solve the yellow corners by putting them into the right place. So you will either have two of these in the correct position. If you have that, just wait. Then if you have no correct position, if you have none of these, just wait. I mean, if you have none of these, do follow what I'm doing. So this is one of the more complicated algorithms. This is actually the most complicated, but don't worry, we're almost done. So if there's none, just hold it any direction you want. Then you want to perform this algorithm, which is the right face counterclockwise, front face clockwise, right face counterclockwise. Then the back face twice, then the right face clockwise, then the front face counterclockwise, then the right face goes counterclockwise, back side goes 2 times, and then the right side goes 2 times. Now, that gets 2 of these into place. So now what you do is you hold those to the back and you perform it again, which is right face clockwise. Right face counterclockwise, front face clockwise, right face counterclockwise, back side 2 times, right face clockwise, front face counterclockwise, right face counterclockwise, back face 2 times, then right face 2 times. So then we turn this top one time, and that gets all of these pieces in the correct position. Now, let me just do this here really quickly. And yeah, so now what we need to do is get all of these pieces in the correct positions, and then we're done. So here, you want to hold it. If there's none in the correct position, do what I'm doing. And if there is one, just wait and I'll get there. So here, you want to go, the algorithm is hold it with any direction, right? And then go front face 2 times. Then you want to go, so actually there's 2 versions of this. They're both very, very similar. But this is the right, this is the left to right version, aka the counterclockwise method, but I'll be showing both in this video, so don't worry. We want to go front side turns 2 times, the top side turns turns either clockwise or counterclockwise. In this case, when you have if you don't have any pieces paired up, you want to turn this either way, and then you want to turn this piece down, which is counterclockwise, this piece clockwise, so there should be white line, yellow line. Turn this front face twice, move both of these back, which would be clockwise, counterclockwise. Then you turn this the same direction you turned it once, the first time, then this turns twice. So now we're almost done. So now got one in the correct position. So now we have to see what we need to do now. Now if there is, so first we have to determine which pieces need to go into which place. So if this piece, so I can tell this is an orange, and this is blue, this is orange, and this is blue, so this needs to go counterclockwise. So I go front face turns twice, top face turns counterclockwise, since that's the direction we need to move it in. Just bring these 2 down, which is right side counterclockwise, left side clockwise, front face twice, then right side clockwise, left side counterclockwise. Then we have to turn this one the direction we turned it. Then we have to turn this one twice. Now you may have a solved Rubik's Cube, but you may have this, where you need to move these 2 pieces this way. So same thing, move these first 2 pieces, move the front face 2 times. You move this piece, instead of being counterclockwise, turn this clockwise. That's the only difference. Then this piece turns down, this piece turns down, this piece turns twice, then this piece turns up, this piece turns up, this goes clockwise again. Now the front face turns 2 times. Now you have a solved Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching. Bye.